Today is Children's Day, 27th May 2026. And for people in Nigeria, it's such a big thing because it's a special day for our children. But one of the ways you can really show love to your children beyond taking them out, buying them sweets, doing all the fun things for them and buying them gifts is making them become wealthy in future, teaching them about money. So in today's video, I want to talk about how smart parents are making their children millionaires. And this is something that you should really start doing. So before you know it, the children come and you get caught up in trying to raise them, juggling home, motherhood, fatherhood, and all whatnot. And before you know it, they are grown, they are in school, and you are still struggling. This information, probably when you were growing up, you didn't know about it. And now I want you to change the narrative, especially if you're a young couple. Smart parents are quietly building wealth for their children. And here is the exact way that you can get some results. So make sure you watch this video to the end because you'll be learning a whole lot. And there are so many things you can either share with people or you can actually write down and start taking action today. So what if I told you that a lot of parents are doing the right thing because they have some kind of information? So you see, when it comes to money making, it is something that is very intentional. You don't accidentally run into money. It is a planned, intentional situation. So 79% of modern parents are saving. And this is costing, you yourself that is saving the money and your children a fortune. Now think about it. These children are born, before you know it, they start learning how to walk and they start growing. And you open up a little cute savings account for them and you diligently deposit money there. And by the time they are turning 18 or 25 or 26, you think you have really done a great job. But here's the brutal truth: inflation has been eating that particular cash alive. Meanwhile, that same money you have saved, if you had put it into good use, it will make the children very wealthy. So warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Julia. If you're meeting me for the first time on this channel, we talk about how to make our money work for us in different ways. Money can work for you in so many ways. So if you like to learn about money, how to make your money work for you, consider liking this video, watch to the end, drop a comment, subscribe if you have not, so that when I make contents like this, you are going to be one of the first set of people who will be getting access to this video. So let's get into the main meat. One of the things I'm going to be breaking down is the playbook that wealthy people are using to make their children millionaires. Now, the first thing I want you to know is that the absolute greatest asset your child has is not just money, it's not just intelligence, it is time. In the financial world, we call this the ultimate unfair advantage. That is the reason why you can start something very small, something as little as 10,000, 20,000 when they are just born. And by the time they are turning 30 years, 40 years, they have grown into billions or multi-million naira or dollars, depending on how you want to look at it. I just want you to know that the time that people have when they are little, they won't be able to get it back when they're in their 30s. That is why you as a parent, you're in your 30s, you're in your 40s, you are struggling. And that's because this is something you were not aware of and you did not do anything. But time is something that will compound with effort and small trickles. So if I've met people in their 50s who want to retire in 5 years time, 10 years time, by the time we walk down the figures of what they need to do every month for us to achieve our targets by 5 to 10 years time, it's crazy, it's huge. So for high net worth individuals, they can easily meet up with the figure. But for people in the middle class, the lower class, it is very difficult. What if I tell you that if you start early when this child is born, or even if okay, you've given birth to all your children, they are now in primary school, it is still better that you start now than you wait for them to start doing this by themselves. So I want to show you a breakdown of the right vehicle you can actually use to make this dream come true. Because when they are still young, when they are less than 18 years, they can't invest. There's no way you'll be able to set them up like that. But there are vehicles that you can actually use. And the first one is what I call the custodial account. This may not be available in Nigeria. I think some of these asset management homes are beginning to think in that direction, which is very fantastic. We have the UGMA and the UTMA. That's for people outside Nigeria. Now, if you're outside Nigeria, please go and request for these accounts where you can actually be buying shares for your children in these accounts. Some banks in Nigeria actually have children's account. They call it the kids account, kids savings account, whatever different accounts. Make sure you understand all the terms and conditions, know what is their rate of return so that you don't just put your money thinking of one big figure. Make sure you make those research before you commit into opening the account for your child, which is where people make mistake. Some people just literally walk into the bank and just open the account and start putting in money. You have to ask the right question. What is the return? Are we going to be beating inflation? We are currently at 15. At least you should be doing putting it into investment that should give you at least 15% and above. And that's a good way for you to get started. Now, the third one is to open a brokerage account. Now, when you open up a brokerage account for them, you can be running it until they turn 18. Now you can move the investments in their care. And by then you would have given them the right information, taught them about money, how to save, how to invest, how to build wealth over time, and that would help them to appreciate what you've done, how to become owners and not consumers. Those are the important things you do while you're building for them. Don't just build for them and then they liquidate. And that's one of the reasons why these days having a trust is important, so that it is a structure that puts things in place with directives and instructions. So you can now do a set it and forget plan. Now you can buy good solid stocks for them, individual stocks that you know that in the next 5 to 10 years they are still going to be here doing very well. For people in my community, I've given them a list of stocks, both in the Nigerian stocks and the US stocks, that they can actually look at to invest for their children. The ones that in the next 20 years, they are still going to, those stocks are going to do 10 times. Now, for ETFs, they are professionally managed, and it is very important that you can actually get them. That helps to reduce the volatility and the stress you have to go through to check charts. And of course, mutual fund. I did a video yesterday discussing how mutual fund works and how 20 million in mutual fund has really given us 1 billion in different types of mutual fund accounts. So why should you invest in Nigerian stocks for your children? So the first thing I want you to know is that the Nigerian stock since 2025 to 2026, we've been doing 40 to 50%. That's a strong market cycle. Honestly, if you are the kind of investor who is seeking for aggressive naira growth without personally selecting stocks, you can look into the Nigerian ETFs and look into solid Nigerian stocks, because if you pick very good ones, you are going to do a lot. And imagine that the stocks you put are averagely doing 20% every year. That's crazy. By the time the account gets to the next 10 years or the next 15 years, you will be amazed at how far you've gone with that your plot. And even if your child is 10 now, by then your child will be 20 to 25. You can hand over and they will do better because you've taught them. No, so that's very important. Another thing is, should you invest in US stocks and ETFs? Now, the exposure to global companies through dollar funded investments is important because the strength of currency is there. Okay. If you're looking for global diversification, liquidity, dollar denominated, and wealth preservation strategy, then investing in the US stock market will give you that edge. Historically, the ETFs do between 10 to 30%, and the individual stocks can give you up to 300%, 200, especially in this AI um, mega trend we are in. That can really give you a lot of exposure. So for me, high growth potential, professional management, dividend exposure, because some of these stocks are paying dividends. And for Nigerian stocks, we have the full Naira exposure, they have the policy related volatility and market cycles. But growth is very strong. That's one thing I want you to understand. So that is the wealthy parent toolkit. I want you to know that money responds to strategy and not structure. Money does not respond to emotions. Oh, I don't know. I wish I did it. All those things do not change the situation. The person whose children are going to travel abroad in the next 15, 20 years or 10 years' time are the people who are building educational funds right now, who are putting down structures and strategy. if you're not strategizing and doing anything, except some money, someone gives you money or you land into a big contract, do not hope on such things. It is better you have a plan so that when you that time comes and you have double, that's a better arrangement. And of course, the last thing I'm going to talk about is I've met parents who tell me they are saving and that saving for them is good enough. But it's not good enough. Now let's look at 20,000 naira someone saved for 25 years. That's a total of 26 million naira. Imagine if you put it in a bank account and they're giving you 4%. After 25 years, that's 10 million naira. That's poor. Now imagine investing the same amount. Now you are doing the same thing, oh, the first person did, but now you're looking at a 15% return investment. After 25 years, you'll be getting 62 million. Can you compare the two? 6 million and 62 million. Look at the huge gap. Even when you are investing in a high interest traditional bank savings account, and I give you 4%, look at the huge gap. 10 million and 62 million. That's a 52 million difference. Hey, that's a whole lot of money. Now imagine that you up it and say, you know what, I'm going to do 50,000 for the next 25 years at just 15%. Remember, you can even do more than 15%, but let's cap it at 15%. Let's just be, let's put at something very reasonable. That's 155 million. Oh, 155 for the same 25 years. So, what I'm trying to say is that don't bother about the time you've already lost. It doesn't make any sense. What can you do today? Can you make a decision that today, being children, they're going to start up and get an account running for them? And that is the crucial twist. Knowing that this opportunity can favor them and help them in future. You need them to become more stable. They won't have to, if you need to travel abroad and study, that fund is already there. You don't have to go and sell a land or borrow money and all of those things. You can start today to make that plan. And if you need guidance, you can join our 9.0 community where you learn, practice, and earn. Here, it's a community of wealth builders. And one of the things we do is helping you to set up a children's account because you have to understand what it is you need to do for them. So we give you the guidelines of what you can do, how you can set it up, and what you should do every month, and how you can also be helping yourself so that while you're building for yourself, you're building for them because some people are banking hope on their retirement fund. It's not even enough. It's even good that you have a plan for yourself so that that dream, fun retirement life you're dreaming of will come to pass. So it is only 65,000 naira, 1 year access. The payment link is the first in the description. If you're interested in joining batch 9.0, you get stock recommendations from me. We are focused on the mega trend right now. We're doing dividend challenge. You learn about compound interest and, of course, market analysis and other different forms of personal finance, like how to save money, how to spend, how to create multiple streams of income, all those things, and of course, how to invest, which is the main cuckoo. Come and join us. We'll be happy to have you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned one or two things. I hope this video is going to make you to start thinking of your children, say the future. And I hope today you find a reason to join our community. But even if you don't join our community, you can join any other good community. There's so many amazing communities out there. And of course, give this video a like. I hope to get about 50 likes from this video. Most importantly, please help me share this link to friends. Put it on your status, share to your friends who this video would make sense to. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.